Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Anna, marketing specialist.
My name is Grace and I'm the design coordinator.
If you're passionate about boating and want to see your dealership thrive, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 3 ways to supercharge your dealership marketing. So let's get started.
First up, let's talk visuals. Using high-quality photos and videos to showcase your dealership isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about building trust and sparking interest. Potential buyers want to see what they're getting into, literally. By regularly updating your visuals, you're not only keeping your content fresh, but also giving your audience a real, tangible glimpse into your inventory. Remember, your goal is to make them feel as if they're walking through your doors, even if they're miles away.
Next, throw events. Whether it's a big bash or a small gathering, events are a fantastic way to connect with your community. Imagine this, a sunny day filled with laughter, music, and the shimmering hulls of the latest boat models. Events not only draw people to your dealership, but also create memorable experiences associated with your brand. It's about more than just selling boats. It's about building a community and making your brand a local staple.
And finally, ramp up your social media presence. In today's digital age, social media is your best friend. It's an incredible tool for promoting your business, building your brand, and connecting with your customer base. But here's the key. Don't just exist online, thrive online. Use social media to showcase your inventory, share news about upcoming events, and engage with your audience. Make your pages a go-to source for all things boating in your community. The more present you are in a boater's life, the more they will remember you.
Now, these are just a few strategies to kickstart your dealership's marketing, but the journey doesn't stop here. At the MRAA, we're committed to fueling your success with a vast library of marketing resources. From in-depth guides to actionable tips, our membership gives you access to everything you need to elevate your marketing game.
Are you ready to take your dealership to the next level? Join the MRAA today, and let's make waves together.
Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more insights on how to grow your boating business. Until next time.